When my hair got badly damaged, I was advised not to cut it, but to just transition. After thinking deeply, I made the hardest but the best decision to cut everything off and start afresh. Yes, to start all over. It wasn't easy though, but it was the best decision I made for my hair. Since starting over, I have been intentional about what I put on my hair. One of the things that has really helped me is fenugreek water. And in today's video, I will show you how I prepare fenugreek water and how to apply it. If you are dealing with hair damage, excessive shedding, slow growth, or dandruff, you really need to start making fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein, iron, and nicotinic acid, which helps strengthen the hair and also support healthy hair growth. Now let's look at some benefits of fenugreek water. It helps reduce hair breakage and excessive shedding. It strengthens weak hair strands. It helps with dry scalp and dandruff. It adds shine and softness to the hair, making the hair very manageable. Okay, to make this fenugreek water, all you need is fenugreek seed. For this particular video, I used 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed. You need fenugreek seed, you need water, you need glass jar, you need strainer, and you need a spray bottle. So guys, if you are dealing with damaged hair or excessive shedding, or your hair is not growing, or you have dandruff on your hair, you really need to make this fenugreek water. I have used it and I am telling you that it's really working. Apply it directly to your scalp. As you can see in this video, massage it gently into your scalp for a few minutes. This is going to help to improve blood circulation. Make sure your hair is in section, as this will make it very easy and manageable. Okay? Massage it gently, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see on the screen, massage it gently. This is going to help to improve blood circulation, which will also help to activate hair growth. Make sure your hair is neat. Okay, don't do this on a dirty hair. Make sure your hair is neat. Okay, and also make sure that they are in section. And after that, you cover it with your shower cap and let it sit for 1 hour.
And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I love you.